How to convert images to video with Runway AI. Stick around until the end. I will show you a pro tip to generate videos faster and with better quality using Runway AI that most beginners don't know. Start by opening Runway AI and clicking Select Asset. Choose the image you want to animate. Now, type your prompt in the text box. I used "make them run" to create motion from the still image. Next, make sure Gen 4 Turbo is selected. This model gives you the best speed and visual quality for image to video generation. Set the length to 5 seconds for your video, then hit generate. Runway will now turn your image into a short animated video. Pro tip: after it's generated, click Export and choose 1080p ProRes for the cleanest, editor-ready video file. Great for Reels, content, or clients. And that's it. Now you know how to turn static images into stunning videos using Runway AI. Try different prompts and bring your visuals to life.